In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the channel mixer in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the right side of the window, click on Adjustments, and here, if we scroll down a bit, we have Channel Mixer. And here, for example, we can manage the red channel, and here we can set the colors that make it up. So for example, like this is going to create a different kind of red compared to the one before. Anyways, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.